Hello, I'm in a 2012 Chevy Cruze, and today I'm going to show you how to use your front and rear defrost controls. So for your front here, we're going to look for this symbol. This is your front defrost, and this is also your front defrost if you would also like to have air blowing on your feet. So let's say we have this engaged. Now the fan controls are linked to this, so you can make it blow faster or slower, and those vents just right up here blow onto the glass. And then you can adjust if you want it to blow cold air or hot air. Typically you'd have it blowing hot air, since that's usually why you use defrost to melt any ice building up. And even if you have it all the way hot, you still might want this AC turned on, just because the AC system will pull moisture out of the air, which will keep your glass from fogging up. And then when you're finished with this, you could either turn the fan all the way off, or just push this again so this light goes away, so now it's turned off. And then for your rear defrost, this is for the rear window. And the way that works, if you're able to see in the glass, there's some black lines that run through. Those black lines are heating mechanism. So when you've got the rear activated, those turn on, which will then act to melt any ice that might be building up. And then same process, when you want this turned off, you just click this again so that light goes away. And then if you're having issues with these, say they're not lighting up at all, the first thing I would check is probably your fuses. Maybe you have a fuse that's gone bad that's making this inoperable. After that, maybe there's something behind these buttons, like where it connects to this little circuit board, that needs repaired. And you could possibly use your code reader to check in the car, see if there's any codes that might be indicating something going on. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.